Yeah, you're good.
I got one in trees.
Yeah, he's up on this hill over here.
Up on the hill?
Yeah, straight in front of me. You can just barely see it sticking out.
Was he like top of the hill or bottom?
I'll try and see if I can't guide you in with my BBs. See where I'm shooting?
Oh yeah, I'm seeing it.
Yeah, he's behind that tree right there. You can just barely see like a bright yellow green thing moving around.
Oh, okay. That was one, that was one. Yeah, bogeys and a line on those. Look inside the trees.
Yeah, you're dropping.
Get over. I'm super hot. I'll let you guys add some.
And 400 people out here, and I've only seen 2.
You gotta get all the keys to get the code to the safe. Oh. The keys, I believe, go in Warden's house. You know what that one is? I believe that's where the keys go. I'm trying not to misquote information, but I'm pretty sure. Boom, we can stuff. It's not one key in one safe. Tree line on the roof behind us, just in case some of the other permit units were saying that's where there's also a heavy fighting coming from the ridge from the road leading towards docks.
I just took one out right here. He's sitting here waiting for his medic. Or he's getting medic.
Oh, I see your bitch ass. pray. There's one that just came walking out. One more down, I believe.
Yeah, there's a bunch right up there.
Just a little bit over here.
Yeah. And if I yeah, he is. Got him.
Yeah, let's go. Good shot. What's going on? We got tan over here on the fucking not pushing.
I'm not sure. Oh, good. We retook the flag over there.
Oh, nice. You got a flag on her.
Yeah, right here. It was green just a moment ago.
Yeah, so we probably just fought our way up to that flag. I was still trying to wrap my head around the key situation. Because I thought it was one key to one safe, there would be 4 things, and then you need 4 separate codes for the satellites and
Well, my understanding, each key will have a code to the safe, and you need like 4 or 5 keys to get to open the safe.
What the fuck? That's confusing. Oh. There's a couple more. Yep. We got some over here, some over here. I just can't see the ones over here. I saw the one over here.
Yeah.
There's more. More to your right side.
I think he's mad at me.
Poking a hole with a stick.
He's not aiming at you, he's aiming at me.
I think he just hit both ends at this point. I don't think he knows where it's coming from.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got heavy contact on that back hill.
What was he wearing?
It's hard to see. All the fire's coming from the tree line. They're hiding in the trees. And they're speaking Vietnamese.
Really? I thought I heard Durka Durka.
Turkey turpin is what he said. got that cry tag? Man, they really love the new trees.
He's up in the tree line over here, behind the tree. Yep. Nice.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's see.
There's another one about 50 feet that way.
Maybe not.
Nah, I wasn't a friendly.
He's walking the wrong direction.
Yeah. I mean, I'm using 3.2s.
I'm only using 2.8s. I want them to be on that long and cry about it. They already cry enough about not calling their heads.
Right? Well, I mean, main reason I switched to 3.2s is just because they can cut through the bushes. 2.8s are still good though.
Got just enough oomph to make you regret every life decision. Now if I hit you with a 4.0,
yeah, that's gonna.
Might as well be a sim round.
I
think we clear off the range right now.
was gonna say that guy's got to go for reloading soon. He's been shooting like a motherfucker.
And chill.
Thing is, they got the fun side. I prefer attacking than defending.
Oh yeah. I don't know, I kind of prefer defending.
Yeah.
You ain't gotta move that far, you just want to shoot it. It's like target practice.
Yeah, I mean, that part fine. It's just I get bored.
So that heavy gunfire we were having on the backside of the prison hill is now gone. We seem to have taken down work over there, but I don't know how long it's going to last.
That's gotta be fun driving that Humvee around.
Keep in mind, we got two friendlies over here to our one block. And it looks like they're moving across. One of them got contact from deeper in the brush. And the other friend is just standing there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna be like, wrong neighborhood though. They've been coming off of the.
Those are friendlies right there.
So that's friendly over there, and he should still be up, and there's one more stuff in this bush over here to about like 12:31 block. No, I believe that's empty. We'll keep going. Let us know when you want to move.
Fuck you, mosquito. Fuck you. Well, there's no back hits don't count. I got bulletproof vest on. Because Mama said.
Are the friendly up there down?
Ah, shit.
Those friendlies on the hill are down. Oh, yellow is on the respawn. Dead. Fuck.
Yeah, it's better than just sitting there.
Anything going on up there? Every now and then we get heavy contact from the bridge over here between 11 and 1, but I mean, the last time we had a decent firefight over there, then probably.
Oh, there's some shooting.
Yeah, you come from the tree line right here at 12:45, 12 o'clock.
That's a nice rate of fire.
I've always wanted to be a stormtrooper.
I shoot like one too. You make that yourself or did you buy it? Nice.
What gun is the kit for? What gun is the kit
Looks
for?
like
It's an M4, oh, for the clone trooper stand.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's basically, it's an M4 base.
oh, okay. That's cool.
I'm gonna have to look into that because
DT Blaster Works, they do good work.
Oh, that's so good. It looks so good.
Yeah.
I was gonna say it looks fairly accurate.
That's why I had to ask if you did it yourself because most of the time it looks like crap.
No, it's a DT Blaster Works. He does good stuff, man.
Okay.